Did you know that there are over 8.5 billion searches done on Google daily? That's right, billions of people turn to Google every single day, looking for answers to their questions. And guess where a significant portion of that traffic ends up? Quora! Most times, when people ask Google questions, they're directed to Quora, the massive user-generated content platform that has become a go-to source for answers and insights. Here's why Quora dominates Google traffic. Google prioritizes fresh, user-generated content because it's dynamic, unique, and relevant. Platforms like Quora have leveraged this to build massive authority, attracting millions of visitors and billions in revenue. Here's the shocking truth about Quora. Quora alone is worth over $2 billion and attracts 300 million active users monthly. But here's the kicker. Quora doesn't even create its own content. Most of Quora's revenue comes from ads placed on user-generated content their users create for free. What if I told you that you could replicate their exact business model, building a fully automated, high-traffic, and monetized website without writing a single word? You heard that right. With just one click, you can now own a site that pulls top-searched questions directly from Google and Quora, generates SEO-optimized answers for every question, monetizes content with affiliate links and banner ads, and drives non-stop traffic from 8.5 billion daily Google searches. Sound impossible? Not anymore. Introducing Qai, the world's first AI-powered app that creates Quora-like authority websites in just 60 seconds. Qai isn't just another website builder. It's an AI-powered platform that creates, manages, and monetizes a high-authority, traffic-driving Q&A website, all on autopilot. With Qai, you can launch your site in just 60 seconds. No coding, writing, or SEO knowledge required. Automatically populate your site with trending questions and answers from Google and Quora. Monetize your content instantly with pre-integrated affiliate links and banner ads. Drive consistent, targeted traffic without spending a dime on ads or SEO. Why is Qai a game changer? Let's start with this simple fact. Platforms like Quora thrive because Google loves fresh, user-generated content. Every day, 8.5 billion searches are conducted on Google, and millions of those searches lead directly to Quora pages. Why? Because Google prioritizes sites with unique, dynamic content. And now, with Qai, you can create a platform that Google loves, one that builds authority, drives massive traffic, and generates consistent revenue. Here's what Qai can do for you. Instant website creation. Build a fully functional Quora-like website in just 60 seconds. AI-generated content. Automatically pull the most searched questions from Google and Quora and generate detailed, engaging answers that rank effortlessly. Built-in monetization. Embed high-converting affiliate links and banner ads into every piece of content. Endless niches. Create sites in any niche. Health, finance, tech, lifestyle, you name it. Effortless scaling. Manage multiple sites from one dashboard and grow your empire without lifting a finger. Imagine this. You set up your site once, and Qai takes care of everything else. No writing, no SEO struggles, no paid ads. Just a self-running website that pulls in traffic, engages visitors, and makes you money while you sleep. Thousands of people are earning big and driving non-stop traffic from platforms like Quora. Christine made $23,760 in 30 days. The Hopless Geek generated 1,149,090 post views. Marcus got paid $4,369.07 with one answer, and Mike Vestal makes $100 per day from Quora. Now it's your turn. And the best part? With Qai, there's no need for technical skills or prior experience. If you can click a button, you can build a high-authority, monetized website. Getting started with Qai is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, click the button below to grab Qai at a one-time price. But hurry, this offer won't last long. Step 2, log into Qai. Select your niche and let the AI handle the setup. Step 3, watch as Qai creates your site, pulls trending questions, generates answers, and embeds monetized content, all in 60 seconds flat. Here's why Qai is 16 times more powerful than any other platform. It combines advanced AI technologies from Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI into one seamless system. It doesn't just create a website, it builds an authority platform that Google loves to rank. And unlike other tools, Qai handles everything from website website building, content creation, to traffic generation and monetization. And the best part? You can create a website in any niche and any language with just a single click. Imagine owning a platform that works 24/7, a platform that drives traffic automatically, a platform that generates passive income day and night, a platform that requires zero effort from you. That's what QAI delivers. It's like owning a digital business that runs itself, leaving you free to enjoy the profits. Don't miss out. Grab Qai right away. But here's the catch. This special launch offer won't last long. When you act now, you'll also get exclusive bonuses worth $5,500 for free. Altogether, you're getting over $8,000 worth of value for just $17 if you act fast. Don't miss this chance to own a self-running, high-traffic, monetized website. This is an exclusive launch offer. Once it's over, QAI will switch to a monthly subscription model to cover server costs. We're so confident in QAI's ability to transform your online business that we're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love QAI, just let us know, and we'll refund 100% of your investment. No questions asked. What are you waiting for? With QAI, there's no writing, no SEO, no ads, just a fully automated platform that drives traffic, builds authority, and generates income, all on autopilot. But remember, this special one-time pricing won't last forever. Click the button below now to grab QAI while it's still available for a low one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside and watch your success story unfold with QAI.